Hi my beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making popcorn. I'm using pressure pot for this popcorn, so you can use any pot that you have to make your popcorn. So for your commercial popcorn, use any pot, you make your popcorn and it comes out very well. So like this video, give a thumbs up and share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you. So my beautiful people, this is my popcorn. I'm going to use, I'm going to pop 1 cup to show you how you can use your pot to make your popcorn. Actually it's for commercial, so after popping it you package it. Here is my sugar and a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to add vanilla flavor. So I'm using my pressure pot to do the popping. So I'm going to add my, using power oil, add a little. Make sure your oil go around the pot. And allow it to warm a little. I'm using 1 cup, and I'll add my pinch of salt and my sugar. I'll turn it and I'll cover it. Wow, you see that? Just 1 cup, your popcorn is ready. So enjoy it. You see it, 1 cup, you have enough for your family. And if you are making it for commercial, you have enough popcorn. So after finishing it, you see how it is, no stain. This is the remaining of the popcorn.